Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to block third-party cookies in incognito mode on Google Chrome. If you value your privacy and want more control over your browsing sessions, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. It's simple, straightforward, and can be done in just a few taps. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's open, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From that menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page. Here, you can find and adjust all the features that affect your browsing experience. Next, scroll until you find the option called Site Settings. Tap on it. This is where you can manage permissions for websites, including cookies, which are small pieces of data that track your activity online. Inside the Site Settings menu, look for the option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Tap on it to open the cookie preferences. This is a key step, because third-party cookies are the ones that usually come from advertisers and trackers, rather than the site you are directly visiting. Now, you'll notice several options related to how cookies are handled. To block third-party cookies in incognito mode specifically, choose the option that says Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito Mode. By selecting this, Chrome will prevent third-party tracking only while you are browsing in incognito. That means you'll have an extra layer of privacy, but without affecting your regular browsing sessions, where third-party cookies may still be useful for logins or personalization. That's all it takes. You've successfully updated Chrome so that third-party cookies are blocked in incognito mode. The next time you open a private browsing window, you'll know that advertisers and other trackers will have a much harder time following your activity. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring more privacy features available in your browser. Taking a few minutes to adjust your settings can make a big difference in protecting your online experience.